So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Review Chains. In this video I'm going to show you how to block all your ads on your tablet, on your Android tablet in this case. So whenever you're using an application or you're browsing the web and you should have some advertisement, you will not get any ads, everything will be blocked. Okay, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more, and I'll show you just how it goes. Let's go. So, the first thing you need to do is open your browser. Once your browser is open, you type in Blockada. Just like this, Blockada. Once you give in Blockada, you will get this. You press on the first one, Blockada Adblocker VPN, and you scroll immediately down when you're on their website. And here you can choose to download Blockada 6 from the Android store. This is a paid version, or the Blockada 5 version for Android, which is for free. You download this one, you press on it, yes, do you want to continue, yes, yes, give it access, download, okay, it's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you open up the file. I have to give permission to install from the Google Chrome browser. Install. Voila, now it's installed. Accept, play, protect. I don't need to put that on. Voila. And now I open it. And now, once the application is open, you have to press this button and it will start a VPN. You have to give it some permissions to be able to set up the VPN. And now you can see the VPN is open, and here in this case there's a small lock. On some other phones there will be a VPN written up there. And now if I leave this application, you can see the lock is still there. I don't know if you can see it, it's very small. Now that it's activated and the lock is still there, you can use your apps, and even if there are some games you use normally and you have some advertisement in them, there won't be any advertisement anymore. And write down in the comments if it worked for you or not. In most of the cases it will work fine. Just don't forget, when you put your phone off or something, it will go out. You need to check that the Blockada 5 is active like this, and you can turn it off whenever you like. I hope you like this kind of video. If it was helpful for you, write a comment down below. If you have any questions, write it too. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.